Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hello! Last week I shot a video using this mask and some of these smoke pins. You see it? It's like this. Anyways, watch the video to the end, and if you like it, please let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, I can post another video behind the scene and show you how I shot this video. This video is not perfect because it's first time for me. I have lots of smoke pins and I have still the mask, so maybe I can do one more video about it with the same style. So let me see your comments below. Watch the video to the end. See you in the next video.